On 12 January 2022, a fire broke out near QUEENIE School, Laban, Shillong, where around 2 to 3 houses at a particular compound were gutted during the incident. After the flames were doused, help from many quarters poured in to those affected. The Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya chapter had also contributed essentials to those whose houses were pulled down to ashes during the fire. Items like utensils, blankets, and tarpaulins were distributed to them by the Red Cross Society.
Susun A to ba recipe.